This interview with Adam Bry, co-founder and CEO of Skydio, explores the cutting-edge developments in autonomous drone technology, focusing on public safety, infrastructure inspection, military applications, and the complex geopolitical landscape involving Chinese drone dominance. Topics include Skydio's innovative indoor and outdoor drone products, their impact on law enforcement and critical industries, drone warfare in Ukraine, challenges posed by China's drone manufacturing supremacy, and Skydio's vision for the future of AI-powered flying robots. Adam Bry recounts his lifelong fascination with flight and robotics, tracing his path from a childhood building and flying radio-controlled planes to leading the development of advanced autonomous drones. Skydio was founded on the principle that autonomy and AI are foundational to making drones accessible and useful beyond expert pilots, enabling anyone to operate drones reliably for complex missions. Early products like the R1, a consumer-focused flying GoPro, showcased exceptional autonomy but struggled commercially due to high costs and limited features. Over time, Skydio refined its technology and expanded into enterprise and government markets, where the drone's autonomy and reliability have been game-changing for public safety and infrastructure sectors. Skydio's drone lineup includes the flagship X10, the R10 indoor tactical drone, and the upcoming F10 fixed-wing drone prototype. The X10 serves as a versatile, medium-sized quadcopter designed for wide-ranging applications, including law enforcement, utilities, and infrastructure inspection, featuring advanced cameras and AI-powered obstacle avoidance. It can be manually flown or operate fully autonomously from weatherproof docking stations, docks, placed strategically around urban environments to enable rapid drone as first responder missions. The R10 is optimized for indoor use, enabling police and inspection teams to safely enter hazardous or confined spaces, while the F10, currently in prototype, is a lightweight fixed wing designed for high speeds, up to 100 miles per hour, and long endurance, targeting applications like high-speed police pursuits and rural area surveillance. Skydio emphasizes manufacturing these drones domestically in the U.S. to guarantee supply chain security and control. Skydio's drones have become essential tools for police forces across major U.S. cities, enabling safer, faster, and more efficient responses to emergencies. The autonomous drones provide aerial situational awareness within seconds of dispatch, often arriving before officers on the ground. They have been pivotal in critical incidents such as tracking suspects, hostage situations, and de-escalation efforts. Live real-time video and two-way communication capabilities allow officers to assess threats remotely, reducing risk to both law enforcement and civilians. The drone's ability to follow suspects discreetly, read license plates from 800 feet, and navigate urban environments autonomously drastically improve the success rates in apprehending criminals while enhancing community safety. This technology is credited with reducing crime rates in some cities by up to 30% within a year of deployment. Officers reportedly become reliant on drone support, feeling unsafe responding to calls without aerial situational awareness. Beyond public safety, Skydio drones serve industrial customers inspecting critical infrastructure such as energy generation plants, power lines, bridges, and railroads. Traditionally, such inspections involve dangerous, slow, and costly manual labor involving scaffolding and plant shutdowns. Skydio offers automated 3D mapping and inspection capabilities that drastically reduce the time and risk involved by autonomously capturing detailed imagery and data. Their drones provide scalable, software-defined, mobile sensor platforms, programmable for multiple security and operational tasks, including counting inventory at large retail stores and monitoring corporate campuses. The company envisions broader adoption in sectors like agriculture, where drones help manage ranches or count cattle. A significant innovation that accelerates the utility of Skydio drones is the autonomy software and physical docking infrastructure. The docking stations keep drones charged, protected from elements, and ready for instant deployment remotely from any internet-connected location. The system includes advanced computer vision, environmental sensors, and secure communications, allowing drones to autonomously execute complex inspection or patrol missions with minimal human input. Advanced obstacle avoidance means even novice users can safely fly drones through dense environments like forests or indoor spaces without crashes. Integration with LTE cellular networks enables drones to operate at much greater distances and maintain reliable communications beyond line of sight. Skydio's military-grade variant, the X-10D, is a short-range reconnaissance system designed with enhanced GPS-denied navigation and electronic warfare resilience, ensuring drones remain operational under jamming and contested electromagnetic environments. Adam Bry shares insights from Skydio's involvement with U.S. military programs and their recent deployments in Ukraine. He highlights Ukraine's resourceful use of consumer and commercial drones, often Chinese-made, for reconnaissance and strikes, prompting rapid innovation on both sides. Skydio's initial military-spec product failed to fully meet battlefield demands, particularly due to constraints like single-frequency radios and lack of GPS-denied navigation, leading to direct redesigns informed by real warfront feedback. Today, thousands of Skydio drones are actively used in Ukraine via European partners, proving their autonomy and resilience in harsh combat conditions. Bry underscores the need for dual-use technology that functions both in civilian and military contexts and rejects overly rigid military acquisition requirements that hinder practical battlefield effectiveness. A dominant theme in the conversation is the strategic threat posed by China's drone industry, particularly DJI's overwhelming market share in global civilian drone markets. China's state-supported manufacturing infrastructure and scale have historically outpaced Western competitors in hardware costs and availability. DJI's products, while technically impressive, pose national security risks, especially when deployed in critical infrastructure or government settings. Chinese drones' cloud connectivity and internet-based control create vulnerabilities to potential remote interference or shutdown at the whim of the Chinese government. Skydio itself has faced active attempts to cripple its supply chain and market access by Chinese state actors, including personal sanctions against Adam Bry and disruption of component suppliers through government pressure, illustrating the high-stakes nature of drone industry competition as a proxy for broader technology and security rivalry. Bry stresses the urgency of building robust domestic drone manufacturing and supply chains in the U.S. and allies to reduce reliance on adversarial sources. He describes the drone industry as a key battlefield in the global tech war involving AI, semiconductors, and supply chains. Skydio's approach combines selling both drones as hardware products and providing full turnkey solutions, including software integrations, docking stations, support, and maintenance, typically via multi-year contracts. The company works closely with customers in law enforcement, military, infrastructure, and emerging sectors, tailoring deployments to operational needs and lease volumes accordingly. For example, a police dock and drone typically handle 2,000 to 3,000 calls annually, which helps cities size their fleets based on population and incident data using simulation tools developed by Skydio. The company manufactures drones and assembles systems primarily in the U.S., boasting one of the largest drone factories domestically, with automation driving efficiency to enable rapid scaling. Current production rates reach about 1,000 drones per month, with dock manufacturing in the hundreds per month and planned scaling accelerating. The price points vary from around $6,000 for the indoor R10 drone to tens of thousands per year for full dock and drone enterprise packages. Skydio aims to continue reducing costs to reach smaller businesses and even residential security markets as the technology matures. Adam Bry reflects on Skydio's origins from his MIT research days alongside his co-founders, bringing together expertise in AI, robotics, and human-computer interaction. The company's ethos centers on leveraging AI to transfer expert pilot skills into autonomous drones that work for the person, not the other way around. Bry emphasizes talent-first leadership, striving to recruit the best engineers and fostering a collaborative culture where the company shapes the founder as much as the founder shapes the company. He describes his evolving role, balancing customer engagement, technical deep dives, and enabling his leadership team to excel. Bry credits the company's rapid innovation and success to the shared history and dedication of a highly skilled core team that has evolved together over a decade. Skydio sees itself at the forefront of a broader robotics revolution where autonomous flying machines will become pervasive superpowers for individuals and industries alike. Bry envisions expanding drone use into vast new domains beyond law enforcement and infrastructure, including retail, agriculture, campus security, and personal property protection. While regulatory and social considerations, particularly privacy concerns, remain significant, Bry argues transparency, targeted deployment, and technological safeguards can balance civil liberties with increased public safety. The company is focused on continuing rapid technological advancements, expanding product lines, driving down costs, and scaling manufacturing to meet overwhelming current demand that outpaces supply. Bry highlights ongoing developments such as quieter drones for indoor or retail environments, improved autonomy features, and advanced mission software being developed in collaboration with customers. Despite fierce competition and geopolitical challenges, Skydio aims to maintain technological leadership through relentless innovation and customer focus.